What I have for you today is this Topsider MVP, multi-purpose vacuum pump. That's what the MVP stands for, multi-purpose vacuum pump. This is a great product. It's solid steel. It's very well made. I've had this for about 7 or 8 years now. This is my video to show you that it lasts. It hasn't blown a leak in all that time. I've been using it to change the oil for products that don't have an easy to access drain plug. So what I'll do is I'll just loosen up this storage cap here, connect my line with this cap here that's provided for you. And then I've got a series of lines here with a stiff one here at the end that goes down into the oil drain or the oil level reader. And then I'll go down through there and pull the oil up. And what you're doing is you're creating a vacuum as you're moving your pump up and down in here, and it creates a vacuum in here. You can pinch off the pressure, and then when you release the pressure, boom, all the oil starts to flow and goes right into the tank. And once you get a good siphon going, if you position the tank in the right place, you can keep it going the whole way through. And you might have to just give it a few pumps to keep it going, but otherwise pretty easy to change the oil on things like jet skis and other products that have a hard time getting to the drain plug. So I highly recommend it. I've used this for many years with success. It's not a cheaply made product. It's a quality product. And I'd highly recommend picking one up if you've got a situation like that where it's hard to change your oil. Well, hey, I hope the video was interesting and I hope it was informative. And as always, have a great day.